voice is still cranky. I just finished working out and I feel so pumped. I'm going to have breakfast now and get ready for the day. We are still going for the World Dairy Expo, day 2, and I'm still looking forward to it. And it's weekend, guys. It's by tomorrow it will be my 1 week in the US, and it's been exciting so far, even though there's like more work, less fun, but I'm still enjoying it.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Wait, they hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, and I'm back in a Birkin. No, 9 to 5, put the work in. Doesn't know I love them all, for me, you're perfect.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and I'm dressed, ready to go to the gym. I still have training sessions today, so literally no days to rest. And I have training session tomorrow, which is Sunday. Last evening I went out. I primarily went out to get the MacBook, but I had issues with payments, which was frustrating. So I couldn't pay for it. I was at the Apple store, and I don't know. I'm just trying to like look for other means to get it done because I really need to get the MacBook before I leave, as that would be less expensive for me to do. But this gym pants from Petals Lagos, although it was pricey, it was on the high side, but I love everything about it. The fabric, the fit, and yeah, it's black, so I love it. I might not have an exciting day, except for the fact that I have to focus on attending my training sessions.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Wait, they hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is.
Hi guys, I just got back in. It was a long day, had training sessions, and then I went out for a bit of shopping, even though I didn't see a lot of things that I like. Yesterday I went out with one of my colleagues on the program to see a family friend. It felt like I was home again because they're Nigerians, and then we feasted. They cooked for us. I ate swallow and vegetable soup. I was so happy, and they even packed takeaway for us. I just microwaved my food now. I'm going to eat shortly. So I visited a couple of places, Kohl's, Walmart, even though I didn't see a lot of nice clothing that I like. And I was debating with someone that UK has better female clothing than the US. What do you guys think? Because that's how I feel about it. Like, and then we were like arguing the thing. It was so interesting.
Never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it.
This tastes so good.
You got it, girl, you got it.
I'm like a happy child. My Wisconsin family brought me food. I feel so blessed, guys. Even here, I'm eating like a queen. Okay, so let's see what. Oh, there's stew, chicken stew actually, and then I have. Not me living life like a queen. Then I have soup, and I already have my lunch sorted right now, and I'm so excited. I just finished my laundry and I'm going to have my bath now and start getting ready for other activities I have for the day. I'm trying to vlog a skincare routine. I hope I'll be able to do that. I've been meaning to share with you the things I've bought since I got here. I've bought a few things. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I've been like very prudent and I don't want to spend a lot of money buying stuff. I bought these hair clips, which I really love. They are claw clips. I got this bralette at Walmart. It's giving me Skims vibes. I love it so much and the fabric is so good. The color blends well with my skin and I can't wait to rock it. I got this fitness pants. I must have worn it somewhere in this vlog. It has pockets and that's why I like it. It was on a clearance aisle, so I just quickly grabbed it. This jacket, which you might also see before the end of this vlog, in full. I got this jacket and it's really nice. It's a lovely fabric and it just keeps me warm because it's pretty cold here in Wisconsin. That's been all, guys. Like I've gone to a lot of stores. Yesterday we went to a store called Kohl's and I saw a lot of women clothes. I felt like a child in a candy store, but you know, I'm like focus, stay focused, stay focused. I've recorded a whole lot and I'm hoping that this vlog is not going to be too long. Like my Brazil vlog, that vlog was so long and I was just like trying to cut out a lot of things. I had more content than what you guys saw in the Brazil vlog, but I didn't want to bore anybody with long videos and I'm trying as much as possible to make this current one shorter. So help me God. Amen. All right, catch you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, it's Monday and equally my last week in Wisconsin. We just finished the first section. It's currently about 11:30 a.m. and we'll be heading out to the next 1 hour for some practical visits. I just wanted to show my face here and say hello to you guys. I'm going to be having lunch before I leave and here's my full outfit. I got afang soup yesterday with poundo, so I'm going to microwave that and eat for lunch. I've been balling in this city. Yo, I've been balling in this city and it feels just like I'm home.
I want you to know secret star in your heart is slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you. Definitely, anything, definitely, definitely, anything, definitely.
DJ Zayas.
When you are born out, yeah, 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 tell me, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all depends, the girl, right.
Good morning, good morning. I don't know why I'm extremely excited today, but I just finished my program and I'm getting some light. I'm filming with natural light since the beginning of this vlog. I just finished my program and yeah, I have a free afternoon. I'm going to do some more laundry so that I travel with clean clothes only. That's exciting. So I'm going to do my laundry. There's a party in the evening where we are going to get our certificates, you know, merry party with the other members. We had participants from other countries as well, Morocco, Tunisians, and I've really made great contacts, which I know I would find useful beyond even my profession in future. That's an important thing, guys. Networking is really critical for in anything you do in life, for your growth, for you can use it to open a lot of doors when you have good networks everywhere. So please invest in your network. You should also ensure that you follow up and maintain the network, because one day you just like, oh, I need someone to help me get this thing done, or I need that information, and these people will come in handy and, you know, very useful for you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I don't know how I got into that, but yeah, that's it. I got some more things yesterday and I'm just going to show you guys. I got this Puma sneakers and I'm going to be using it for training. And then I got the brown of the gym pants. The pink one I got earlier. I got the brown because I just love the fit so much. You must have seen me wearing it to the gym on this vlog. It fits like a glove, and then this color just blends in with my skin. So we are gonna be going to the gym in style. Let me show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this sweater that I got from Meraki by Ama. I love it so much because it's just really soft and the color and stylish too. So, you know, who doesn't want to look stylish in a sweater? And then I'm wearing it with this pants. Also, in fact, I'm a Meraki girl today. I got this from Meraki by Ama too. I'm going to drop our Instagram page somewhere in the description box. And this shoe, I can't remember where I got it from. I'm a neutral babe today. A neutral babe. A neutral babe.
On your feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? She was on all you been through. The gal riding with me. I know you die for nothing.
This was my failed attempt at learning Igbo dance. But anyway, I tried again. Hi guys, I just came back from our close-off program party and I got my certificate. So I'm going to be spending all the night packing. I leave tomorrow morning, and that's Saturday. Not morning, actually, afternoon. Yeah, I leave tomorrow afternoon, and then I'll get to Nigeria on Monday morning. It's a long trip. I'm already dreading it again. I'm always dreading long flights, but you have to do it. So I just want to take out my makeup and go get ready. See this one. We had the fire alarm. We're all outside, and then the fire service is here. We are back in now. The Nigerian in me wants to use the staircase. Yes. So that we don't get stuck in the lift. Hi guys, I'm just heading back to the room. The alarm is off now. They said we are safe. Guys, in whatever you do in this life, live in a system that works. It took less than 5 minutes. What am I even saying? 3 minutes. It took less than 3 minutes for the fire alarm service to show up. Okay. It was funny because I just came out of the bathroom. I was naked, and then boom, fire alarm. I was like, okay. I was first confused in the first 1 minute. I was like, what do I do? What do I do? What's happening? Fire alarm. Is it me? I looked around my room. It wasn't me. And I just threw on everything on my body. Like, I just threw on everything I saw and went out. It took me a while to find my phone, but I was like, I must pick up my phone because that's the only means I have to communicate. So I took my phone and I went downstairs. When I got downstairs, oh man, why didn't I just grab my bag? Because all my documents are in there, including my passport. But I was at peace, sort of, because I know I'm in a system that works. If it was in Nigeria, I don't know. It might have happened otherwise. I'm in a system that works. So, the only happened, I went downstairs, the fire alarm service came, they ran inside, checked out everything, and it's all clear now. And they immediately announced that we can go back inside. Anyway, I'm just going to get dressed up, complete my packing now, and I'll be heading to the airport in like an hour's time. I got this luggage cover on my way here because last time I traveled there were some scratches on my box which I wasn't happy about. It's almost damaged too, but at least it's going to do the work till I get home. Alright, so my long journey begins now and I am leaving. Bye guys.
Got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Wait, they hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent.
Guys, I'm at Doha Airport in Qatar and I lost my airport. I was thrown off balance for a while, but I found it. I used my Find My app to search for it and I traced it down to wherever I said it was. And initially I thought it was at the restroom because I went there to wash up and I didn't find it there. I'm like, oh my god, no, not my airports. I'm already thinking of how I'm going to like go back down with another significant amount of money. But thank God I found it. So I'm happy now. I have like 6 hours or more layover here. I'm just going to get to my boarding gate and check in so I can just use the remaining hours to relax. My flight was not so great because a child was sitting behind me and he was kicking my seat and screaming all through the 13 hours flight, so it was not the best of experience for me. I am hoping that I can get some rest the next 6 hours and yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time.
I love the way you act.